Hey, this is Rick Emerson with Advantage Hearing and Audiology here in Eden, North Carolina. Today I want to go over with you your hearing aid wearing schedule and why it's important to wear your hearing aids every single day. So what is your hearing aid wearing schedule? So here's what it should be. You should wake up in the morning and part of your morning routine, whatever that may be, is you definitely want to put your hearing aids in first thing in the morning, and you want to wear them all the way up until you go to bed at night. Now, obviously, you don't sleep or shower in them, but other than that, you want to make sure that you have the hearing aids in. Okay? Why is that? Well, in a previous video, I explained to you that we don't hear with our ears. We actually hear with our brain. Okay? And when you're wearing your hearing aids, there's a part of your brain being stimulated. That's very, very important. Because as I mentioned in a previous video, that is actually your brain that's being affected, and that's causing all kinds of other things that you wouldn't link up with a hearing loss. So even if you're at home alone and you can have that TV wide open, it's not going to bother anybody, you still want to make sure you're wearing your hearing aids, preferably 12 hours a day or more. And you want to do that every single day. Because once again, if you have hearing aids, that means you have a nerve damage hearing loss. A nerve damage hearing loss means that there's information not getting sent to your brain. Information not getting sent to your brain equals weakness. Just like my legs. If my legs are not used or stimulated, over a period of time, they get weak. My muscles shrink up and I can't use my legs. Well, when you have a hearing loss, there's a part of your brain that's not being stimulated. It's shrinking. It's actually called auditory deprivation, and that's causing all kinds of other issues such as balance problems, memory problems, and all kinds of other problems. So just want to make a quick video just to let you know, hey, wear your hearing aids at least 12 hours a day every day. Even if you live alone, still wear the hearing aids every day for about 12 hours a day. And not only will it improve your hearing, it's also improve other areas in your life as well. Hope you guys have a blessed day.